Fifth graders, today we got a very special lesson. Now, this lesson is so special for no other reason other than I'm telling you it is. Okay? Now, check it out. We are on lesson 7, problem set, and we are continuing to draw an area model, and then we are going to solve using our standard algorithm, and we are going to match our partial products to just show where they or what they even mean in terms of an area model and the standard algorithm. Connection lost. Well, too bad. Okay, so now that your first step is going to be again to take these numbers and put them into an area model. So pretty simple. Let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to zoom in here. There we go. There we go. Nice. Then I'm going to take this number and I'm going to split it up like this. I got 480 and a 1. Then I also happen to have 350. Oh, that's my bad. 52. Okay, then we're going to simply separate our numbers here by drawing our lines. Don't gotta be perfect. There we go. Cool. All right. Then your next step is to simply just multiply those numbers out. Here we're going to have 300 times 400, and that is going to give me 12 with 4 zeros, 120,000. Oh, that's a big one. Over here we're going to have 50 times 400, which is going to give me a 20 plus my 3 zeros, 20,000. Big numbers this time around. Then we got 2 times 400. It's going to give me pretty easy 800. Let's continue. 300 times 80 is going to give me a 24 and 3 zeros. I hope you're double checking that I'm doing this right. I may be doing this wrong. I'm probably not going to catch it when I edit it. You got to be responsible enough to catch that, because I'm not perfect, right? We're all going to make mistakes eventually. Here we go. 50 times 80, and that's going to give me 40. Carry your nose, and then we end up with 4,000. Let's continue. 80 times 2. That's going to give me 160. All right. And now for the last one, that's pretty easy. You got 300 times 1, 300. Then you got 50 times 1 gives you 50. And 2 times 1 is going to give you just your 2. All right. Now, the last step I'm going to do here is I'm going to simply just add up my partial products and put them all into here. All right. So when we add up all of them, they are each going to go in there so that we can later match those up with our standard algorithm. So let's go for it. You could probably do some mental math and add these up in your head. So if you can, do that. If not, take them and just add them whichever way you can. All right, here we go. This one is going to give me 144,300. Let me double check that I did that right. I believe so. All right, next one. I'm gonna get 24,050. Then my last one, I am going to simply get 962. 962. if you're sitting there wondering where I got these from, all I did was simply just add this one plus this one plus this one, gave me this whole thing. Then I got this one plus this one plus this one, gave me this whole thing. And this one plus this one plus this one. Okay, let's continue here. My last and final step, so many steps, we are going to simply just add up all of these now for our grand total. Now, for me to do this, I'm going to add them all up the best way that I know how without messing up. So that's going to be 144, 300, then I got 24,050, and 962. Might have to scroll down a little bit. Okay, now I'm gonna add these up. The lines would go somewhere like this. And there's my neighbor's dog, just like an alarm. I hope he's okay. All right, here we go. Gonna get a 2 here. 5 plus 6 gives me an 11. Carry my 1. Here I'm gonna get 13. Carry my 1. Here I'm gonna get a 9. 4 plus 2, 6, the 1. There we go. So our total answer should be 169,312. It's a lot. Now, let's go on to our standard algorithm here. And before I do that, I'm gonna color code these really quick. Let's do that one in blue, 3 different colors. And this one in red. Okay. Here we go. All right. So we're gonna start off with the 2 here. 2 times all of these numbers from right to left. Let's see if we can do it. 2 times 1 gives me a 2. 2 times 8, 16. Carry my 1. 2 times 4 gives me an 8 plus your 1, 900. Or just 9. 962. Now, check out how that is exactly what we got over here. Okay? Now, if we do this next one correctly, this 5, we should get what we got on our standard algorithm. Let's see. 5 times 1 gives me 5. Now, wait a minute. What did I just do wrong? I forgot to add my 0. You are correct. So let's erase that and add our 0 here. Okay? 5 times 1, 5. 5 times 8, 40. Carry my 4. Cross that one out. All right, 5 times 4, 20, plus your 4, 24. Now that is exactly what we got over here. Excellent. Let's continue. Move on to this 3 right here. Now, since I'm moving on to the 3 that is also in the hundreds place, we have to add not 1 0, but 2 zeros. Okay, let's continue. 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 8, 24. Cross that out, get a 3. So wait, I just lost my place. The 24? No, 3 times 8 was 24. How about we just erase it? Like I said, we all mess up. Some of us more than others, right? Yeah, okay. 3 times 8 gave me the 24. Put that down. 3 times 4 now, 12, plus your 2, 14. Now that is exactly what we got over here. Woo! Last step is to add up all of your partial products. Take a moment to just breathe. It's a process. It's a process. All right? We got a 2, We got a 1. Carry our 1. We got a 3. We carry our 1. Gonna have a 9 there. 6 here. And a 1 there. For your grand total of 169,312. Which is the exact same thing that we got right there. Alright. Now I know what you're thinking. Maestro, that's so many steps. Do I have to do all of them? And my answer is yes. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Practice it. Okay? Practice it. Now, when you get really good at them, and you don't need to do these steps, and it doesn't ask for it in the question, then by all means, do it whichever way you feel is the fastest. But for now, try to connect those partial products to your standard algorithm, okay? Sorry, partial products from your area model to your standard algorithm, okay? Okay. If you need help, you know I'm here. You know I'm here.